What's up everybody, it's your girl Glenda and we are back for another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That's all you have to do. On today's video, we are making mustard fried turkey wings. Now, earlier in this video, I have already cleaned, cut, and boiled the turkey wings, and this is how I did it. So y'all, we're gonna rinse these turkey wings a few times. We're gonna begin by rinsing the turkey pieces in some cool water, just getting rid of any feathers that you may see, and then you're just gonna put them to the side. So after that first rinse, what we're gonna do is just cut the wings down at the joint, as you see here, creating a drumette and a flat. I did this for all the wings. You can also cut the tip off if you want to. I didn't do that on mine, but if that's what you prefer, to make it a true flat, then cut your tip off as well. So I told you guys we were going to rinse these 2 or 3 times. So this second and third rinse was just to ensure that we got the wings really clean before filling the pot with enough water to cover the turkey wings. So we're going to place this pot of turkey wings in water on a high heat and add some salt to the water, which begins your seasoning process. You're going to boil your turkey wings covered for 45 minutes to an hour to create a tenderness. Also earlier, I prepared my seasoned flour, and this is how I did that. So in this bag, I have about 2.5 cups of flour. And to that, I have added about a cup of cornstarch. I try to do like a 2-to-1 ratio of flour to cornstarch to get that good crispiness on there. This is the brand that I use. Use whatever you use. It doesn't make a difference as long as it's some cornstarch. Alright, on to the seasonings. You know I use the quad, that's seasoned all, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. But to this, I added the Goya total seasoning. I also added some Mrs. Dash salt-free blend that you just saw right there. And I'm also adding some cayenne pepper. That is what I'm using in this seasoned flour. Y'all know I don't measure, but I'm going to tell you this. Start off with about a tablespoon of each seasoning. A tablespoon of each seasoning. And once you mix it up, wet your finger a little bit, and sometimes you have to just taste that flour just to make sure that it's got the right amount of seasoning, and then you'll know what you need to add and subtract. Don't do too much because we are going to still season the turkey wings. Once you mix it well, just set it aside, and I'll show you what the next step is. After an hour and off camera, I drained the turkey wings and set them to the side to partially cool. So the next step is we have our stove on a high to medium high heat here for the big boy. I have got some peanut oil right here that we're going to use for frying. My turkey wings are off to the side, cooling as much as possible. You want those to cool as much as possible for you to handle them. And you just want to put enough in here for a good deep fry of those turkey wings. You know, some stores sell small turkey wings, but I've got some big brontosaurus wings today. So we're gonna see if that's enough oil. Let me put a little bit more. I'm just going by looks. Alright, so as this oil heats up, we are going to season up our turkey wings, and I'll be right back to show you. Here are my turkey wings. They look a little weird because we did boil them for about 45 minutes to an hour is when we boiled them. I took these smaller legs out sooner because, as you can see, the gristle started to pull away from the bone, and I didn't really want that for all of them, so I definitely pulled this one and this one out soon to start cooling off. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to go in here and add in our seasoning first, and I'm just going to season it with the quad plus a little bit of Goya total seasoning. But you are welcome to season with whatever you see fit, whatever you like. So we're back, but I'm not done seasoning. I wanted you guys to know that I am adding a little bit of cayenne to this. So we season with the quad. We're seasoning with a little bit of cayenne. Again, make your own. Make this your own. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is, if I didn't tell you in the beginning, this is mustard fried chicken wings. So guess what we need? You need some mustard. You're going to go in and add your mustard.
You said mustard fried what?
Turkey wings. Did I say chicken?
Yeah.
Mustard fried. Hey, I do have a video on mustard fried chicken wings. Check it out in the iCard. Alright. This little pack of salt-free Mrs. Dash. I put 2 on here already, so I'm just gonna add it. Up that flavor profile even more. Our oil should be ready to go. We're gonna check it. Looks like it's ready. So we're going to take our flour that we made earlier, and we're going to go in. I'm going to go in with the lid and a flat first. Might get a little messy, but it's okay. We're going to seal it up, shake it around, and add it to our oil. Make sure you get it coated, every piece. Take the excess off. Of course I made a mess.
Yeah, we're going to definitely take the excess off and put it all over your counters.
All over everything. I'm going to just set it to the side right here so I can get a couple more battered up. We'll be right back when we're getting ready to put it in the grease. Add these to the grease. Alright, so I'm not going to overcrowd the pan. Well, I can put one more lid in there. There we go. And so you want to let these cook. And that's really delicious. You want to let these cook until they're nice and golden brown and done. I have my stove on a medium heat, so let it take its time. It's a big piece of meat that you want to make sure is done. The purpose of boiling it so is that it got tender and it got partially done for you as well. So this frying should not take as long as you think it will. Alright, so we'll be back when it's time to flip. Guys, this is looking mighty good. And they are ready to be flipped. Trying to get y'all a good angle.
Chicken and raw and mixed.
Alright, so we are taking out our first batch here. Beautiful. Let me show y'all. Hold on, let me get the rest of these out there because I don't want any of them to burn. That looks amazing. Incredible. So we're gonna go in. I'm gonna put these over to the side. Let them. Oh my God! Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Fried turkey wings, y'all. You better get you some, and you better make you some. OMG. Let me put the second batch in.
I think these would go good with some waffles.
Maybe. So this is our finished product, guys. Here are our mustard fried turkey wings that came out absolutely delicious. Make sure if you want to see more content like this that you put that subscribe button. Thank you to all of my OGs who keep coming back. I surely do appreciate you. To all my newcomers, welcome. Leave a comment in the comment section, you guys. Tell me some things that you would like for us to cook. I have a list of things coming, so we've got some new things coming, and this is one of them. So we'll see you on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before.